Good morning, students. Let's continue EVS part 2 of lesson number 17 across the wall. Please refer page number 161 of EVS textbook. Now, Afsana, as soon as she finishes her game, she returns home. But her brother can stay out till late chatting with friends. No one says anything to him. And Afsana, she even helps her mother in cleaning and other work. She studies very well and plays basketball also. But if her brother makes tea for himself, her mother says that though he has three sisters, yet he has to make his own tea. Now, one girl, she says that Mama, just look at Zareen's younger brother, who is 5 years old, asks their mother why she allows Didi to play. She does not look nice playing like that on the ground. And when his mother asks him if he will play, he says that he is a boy, so of course he will play. Now, Afsana says that she wants to be such a good player that other boys and girls would wish to be like her. And she is giving so much of importance to playing because it is very good for everyone to play. Students, this was the detailed explanation of this chapter. Now let's have a small glimpse on summary of this chapter. Students, we all play various games since our childhood, right? So students, games play a very important role in our life. It keeps us physically and mentally strong. Sports are of two types. First is indoor games and second is outdoor games. Now students, indoor games means those games which we can play inside a house or our room, whereas outdoor games are those games which are played outside a house. And most of the indoor games are played between individual players. Individual players means akele, while outdoor games they are played between two teams, right? Students, in this picture there are some examples of indoor games and outdoor games. Chess, carom, snake and ladders, pool. These all are the examples of indoor games that you can play inside your house. Whereas cricket, hockey, football, badminton, these all are the examples of outdoor games that you can play outside your home. Now, children in villages and cities, they play various games like hopscotch, seven tiles, hopping, hide and seek, and gilli danda. Students in school and on playgrounds, sports like kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, cricket, basketball, etc. are played, which we can call as outdoor games. One can also play games like snakes and ladders, ludo, chess, and carom at home, which we can say indoor games. So, students, always remember that playing and exercising are physical activities. Why? Because due to playing games, our body becomes flexible and healthy. So, we should give more and more importance to game and exercise in our lives. Apart from this, the qualities like discipline, sportsmanship, teamwork, unity, etc. are all inculcated and developed due to sports. Our various talents are developed and our body as well as our mind remain happy and light. Students, do you know that in olden days, games or sports for girls and boys were separate, but now it is not like so. Girls also play sports like cricket, kabaddi, basketball. As students, we should always develop the understanding that a player is recognized by his or her ability to play a game rather than by his or her social and financial status. The devotion shown by a player is more important than his or her level or status, right? Students, even today, a lot of discrimination in various aspects is seen in our society between girls and boys right from the time of their childhood. Due to girls getting education, a lot of women now compete with men and give them contribution in many fields. Even today, a lot of countries are including women in their defense forces too. So, students, always remember that boys and girls, they both are always equal. Students, if you have some dreams for yourself, give your best to fulfill them. If you have a wish or a dream, have courage to speak about it. If you don't do this now, you may regret later. Students, I hope you all are clear with this chapter. Thank you.